The writer of this book needs to be fired. I am not good at reading instructions, but they made this really, really complicated. I tried just going to the website, but it's just almost as fucked up as this manual is. You're going to be reading something. Okay, this is where it starts. This is operating instructions. What the fuck is all of this? Okay? It tells you about this, and then the tube, and then the inches, and then the diameter, and then the, this thing. They tell us 27,000 times in this whole little booklet. This unit, this piece is for this piece is for that. It is so fucking repetitive. So finally, I said, let me just start from the back. Maybe that'll make sense to me. Okay, I know we're supposed to massage our stomach counterclockwise, blah, 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 blah. Okay, read that. Then the back, I can't get to my back. So, and then the arm is exactly, 15.75 inches, blah, 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 blah. The Zingo acupoint is located, blah, blah, blah. Somebody needs to rewrite this for like a 2-year-old so we could all understand it. I cannot be the only one that thinks that this is just crazy. This is crazy. Okay, so let me just show you. Let me show you. Because I can show you better than I can tell you. Operating instructions. Okay, you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Check the packing list. Again, they tell us that a few times already in these pages here. Check for damage. We already know that. Choose an appropriate location because water's going to spray out your ass. Duh. Connect the water inlet. Connect the water outlet. It should look like this. Why didn't you just put that at the fucking beginning of the book? Am I wrong? I'm complaining about nothing? Okay, my bad. But in most of the instructions I get, all that shit that's at the front here is in the back if you want to know it. It starts with, it contains this. Okay, yeah, that's a given. And then the instruction. I just want to know how much pressure is going to be going up my ass. Do I need to duct tape it to my leg or something? And then it goes back and forth and back and forth and back and forth. Nozzle replacement. Why do I need to know that here? I got to figure out how to use it first. Maximum temperature tolerance. It's my ass. I'm not putting 100 degrees water up my ass. Preparing water source. I don't know. It just seems backwards and too much stuff in the wrong place. What was I going to use for example? Check the packing. Choose an appropriate location. Use the product in the bathroom or another suitable location as the water's going to squirt out your ass and go all over the place. Connect it. Thoroughly clean, disinfect. Oh my God. I forgot where my point was. I have attempted to read this 3 times. It still doesn't make a whole lot of sense. I can see why there's not a lot of videos on this piece of equipment, even on the tube. Excuse me. Medium temperature. Gee, really? I guess there are some dumb people. They would probably figure hotter than a baby's bottle is okay. Yeah, not. Travel use. Why do I need to know that? I mean, up here, when I finally find a page for operating instructions. I don't get that. Use purified water. Use sterile, purified drinking water as the water source whenever possible. If using tap water, ensure it meets drinking water standards. Avoid impurities. Am I done shoving the plug up my butt? Choose, connect, connect. See? And then we jump to cleaning. Why are we jumping to cleaning? I haven't even inserted the tube up my ass yet. Long term you see what I mean? Do you see? Am I wrong? Tell me I'm wrong. I can take it. Packing list. Check for damage. Choose appropriate location. Connect the water outlet. Cleaning. How am I cleaning anything and I haven't done anything yet? Disinfect. Nozzle. Maximum temperature tolerance. Preparing the water source. Shouldn't we have done that first? See, I think it's out of order. Independent container. This product requires an independent container as the water source. Do not connect this device to the shower pipeline. Alrighty. Yeah, I forget there's some dumb people in the world. You need to tell them. Okay. Travel use. Why does that need to be here and I haven't even shoved the plug up my ass? Notes. Disinfect the container. Oh my God. Avoid impurities. Control water temperature. Powering on and initialize setup. This is a different setup. Okay. See, this is another setup. Oh my God. To me, this should have been put here. In the front of the book. After, this kit should contain turning on the device, checking the battery level, testing the device, begin using the device. Oh, good Lord. And we're on page 20. Maintain and storage. What? Jesus. I'm making a molehill out of a mountain. I'm a mountain out of a molehill, huh? Okay. Remove remaining water. Manually shake the water inlet and... Oh, this is a symbol. This is a symbol. You didn't even tell me to put the thing in my ass. How are we disassembling? I don't know any... I do know, but that's not their number in Florida. Charging instructions. Oh my God, this is so... Go here, come back there. Go here, come back there. Go here, come back there. Safety instruction. Coffee enema. Routine. And this... See... And I haven't read anything at all about how to mix the coffee and how much coffee and... They ain't said nothing else about no damn coffee. How much coffee am I supposed to shove up my ass? I don't know. It was not intended for medical treatment or as an adult toy. Charger, waterproof, rubber, nozzle. We ain't said nothing about no damn fucking coffee until we get to safety instructions. Oh my Lord. I'm always willing to be wrong, but I think this is kind of fucked up. Spray, filter, lubricate the spray head. Inspect the spray head. Insertion. The spray head is designed for rectal use only. Spray head usage instruction. Oh my God. Prevent heat damage. There's no real instruction. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take the package out of the box. Put the hoses in. Put the other end of the water hose into a water source. Put the other hose up your butt and sit on the toilet. Where's that? I don't get it. Well, I'm going to read it a few more times before I start.